see just like a different color.
Yeah. She's got a collar on.
Probably one of the shops here.
Mm-hmm.
That's a cool cat.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are here to look at this road. So I guess they have a gay parade in here every year, and this is what they did. They painted the wall. Alright guys, we just checked in our hotel here in Iceland, and they have a 2 twin bed, and it's just a small tiny room, and they do have their recycle for general waste, for paper only, and then plastic or cans. That's very nice. They have their small screen TV, chair, and a small closet in here, and they have a safe. So for us, for me and my son, I will not complain. I mean, this is a small, tiny, cute room that we have in here in Fast Hotel Baron, and of course that's the view that we have outside, which is okay. And their shower, it's a small, tiny shower, guys, a small bathroom, but it's nice and clean. They have a blow dryer there. They have towels and extra toilet paper. So that's not bad at all. They have soap. So not bad for the shower. Morning. Okay guys, it's late in the afternoon. We are going for a walk and looking for a place to eat, and we are in town of Reykjavik.
We're getting close. I can feel it.
Remember this construction?
A lot of stuff from work. I want to like take a picture of it and send it.